Okay, so all of this is done within Uncrashed, the simulator, but it can be done within any simulator as well. So you're going to go to drone settings or picking a drone, and you're going to go and get yourself a small drone. The smallest one you possibly can, like a little tiny whoop would be great. Now, I have to go to advanced settings here because Uncrashed doesn't have the option that we want, but all you want to do is find something that is either a throttle limit or something that's going to limit the power of your drone and bring it down to more or less 70%. So it's a small drone and it has a limited power output. This is going to save you a lot of headaches. Now, you also, if you have the option within this editor, you want to change your FPV camera angle. Now, I recommend bringing that down to 10 degrees. That's the most simplistic, but yeah, that's going to be what you want to change. And then we can move on to the second setting. For this, you should be able to just go to the options and you'll find a little profile area called rates. Now, right now, these are set to the Betaflight standards and they're pretty high at 667 degrees per second. You don't have to worry too much about what this means. All I want you to do is go through and change the rates to what I'm showing you here. So that is 0.2 on the RC rate, 0.5 on the S rate, and 0.25 on the RC Expo. What this is going to do is make your controller inputs really super smooth, and that is in turn going to make everything really slow and easy to learn with. You don't have to do this, but goddamn, I would. Anyways, I save these as your starting rates because you are going to change them later on, but for now, I'm going to set them for this, keep them nice and low and nice and slow.